What's that, Sammy?
No.
French fries. What's that? Oh, French fries. Good job. You're a good boy now, huh? Oh. Take your time, Sammy. You're hungry? Hmm? Yeah. Are you hungry? What's that? Okay, eat first. Oh, where's Mama? How about Dada? No? Oh. Sammy, what color is this? This one.
White.
Good job, Sammy. How about this one? What color the fries is?
Yeah.
Yellow. Very good, Sammy. How about your shirt?
Yeah.
This one. What color this one?
Blue.
Blue
Yeah.
and red. Very good. Good job, Sammy. How about Thomas?
Yeah.
How about Thomas there?
Yeah.
What color, Thomas?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. How about your blacks over there? What color is that?
Black.
This one.
Red.
Red. Very good. You're so smart, Sammy. How about this color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, Sammy. How about this color?
Black.
Black. Very good. How about this color? This one.
Purple.
Purple. Very good. How about this one? Pink.
Pink.
Very good. Good job, Sammy.
White.
White. That's your water.
White.
Yeah, that's your water. Sammy, what letter? What letter this one? Look at this one. Sammy, what letter this one?
White.
No, this one.
Blue.
Blue, but what letter?
Oh.
Oh, very good. How about this one? Sammy, how about this one? Sammy. Letter.
E.
Very good. How about this one?
Blue.
No, letter.
S.
S. Very good. How about this one? You know what letter is this?
D.
Very good. Good job. How about this one? Here. This one. Sammy. Sam. You're full? Enough? Enough, Sammy? Hi, Sammy.